Alright, so welcome to part 2 of this video. I think it's part 2, how to make a Doom game. Alright, so let me just show you how to add a weapon. This is going to be extremely simple. I downloaded this sprite from this website. Oh, that's my TikTok. Yeah, I opened a TikTok account. I said I wasn't going to, but I did. This one here. Okay, I downloaded that one, brought it to Photoshop, and yeah, it's just a picture. Okay, so we're gonna import that picture into Gdevelop. Right click, insert new sprite, import the sprite. Alright, and here is my image. I'm going to import that, copy that to your project, and that's it. Okay, so let me just switch to 2D, and I'm gonna drag my sprite into the screen, and let me add that to the top layer there. So preview this. Wow, just like that. Alright, so let me just make that bigger. Maybe center that. Press run. And there it is. Actually, you notice that it's sort of blurry a little bit. It's on the resources. Click on this. Uncheck this checkbox. And voila. There's our sprite. Super simple. Just like that, super easy. Alright, let me make another sprite here and call this one site or something. I meant to make this green. Save it, and let me drag that into the screen here. Move that to the top layer. And that's it. Alright, so that's it. You can see that this is extremely simple. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye now.